So all you have to do is go ahead and copy your affiliate link right here, go to this website and simply download this video that you don't even have to create, re-upload the video over on this website, and you can start to generate commissions just like I have, as you can see, generating over $35,000 in right around 30 days online. Now in this video, I'm gonna reveal an incredibly powerful 5-minute free method for affiliate marketing that will allow you to generate daily clicks to your affiliate links totally on autopilot, resulting in sweet commissions flowing in like clockwork. I'm going to share every single step as far as how to find a high converting product to promote, how to do this copy paste method so it will work for you even if you're not tech savvy at all, and even towards the end of the video, how to scale this simple method to $500 or more a day. So be sure you watch the entire training. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. Comment "let's go" to show others you're serious. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive to the very first step. Okay, so the very first step is to find a high converting product to promote. One place is Digistore 24. You can actually go there and click register now in the top corner, and you can just go ahead and sign up for free, put a username, an email, password, and you can sign up within a few minutes. Now, once you're logged in, all you have to do is go to the marketplace tab right here, and they have all these different categories of products you can promote, such as family and kids, games and fun. Now, for the sake of this video, we're actually going to go to fitness and health. So click that, and this will take you to 104 products that you can go ahead and find to promote. Now, I will say Digistore 24 is not my favorite place to find products to promote. If you want to discover how to get paid instant 100% commissions, be sure to click the first link below and watch that free overview video. But in this video, we're going to be using Digistore 24. So we're going to actually sort results by sales rank. This is going to share with us the best selling products at the very top of the page. And for the sake of this video, we're going to be using the ultimate keto plan. So the next step is we need to get our affiliate link so we can get people to click that link on autopilot to start to rake in these daily commissions. So all you have to do is click here. Now, if it doesn't show, okay, so sometimes it's going to show a button like this. Okay, I'll share with you what it looks like. Promote now. You just click right there, and then it would generate your affiliate link. Okay, but since I've already clicked on it, let me go back and copy this here, and I'm going to put it in a notepad file to keep it handy. Now, the next step is we're going to actually open up this sales page. Okay, so whatever product you promote, you want to open up the sales page and you want to look and see, does it have a video? For this specific method, we want to find a product that has a sales video, not a letter with a lot of text. Now, once you find a video right here, this works great if it's embedded on the page with YouTube. Okay, so you can see this video right here is actually going to be on YouTube. If I click on it, you can see right here that the person uploaded the sales video over on YouTube. So we can download this video using this tool here. Okay, now all the links in this video are going to be in the description down below. What this site does is it allows you to save YouTube videos to your device, and we're going to be able to leverage this video to get autopilot traffic without having to show our face or create the videos ourselves. Now, if this video is embedded and maybe it's a Vimeo or another type of video, you can still do this method. You would just have to search for a Vimeo video downloader, but this is a YouTube one. So what we want to do is once we go to this video and we open it up, we want to actually go to share, and we want to copy the direct link to the video, go back to this downloader, paste this in, and click download. Okay, what this is going to do is allow us to actually download this exact video. You can see it's 8 minutes and 52 seconds, which is great. And we just want to click download. Now, once this is downloading to my computer here, the next thing we want to do is go over to another free site called Canva.com. Now, I've referenced Canva a lot in my trainings, as you've probably seen. Canva is incredible because you can create Facebook posts, Facebook covers. If you ever need anything designed, such, as these type of photos, you can see I've used it to create YouTube thumbnails. But in this video, we're going to actually go up here and we're going to type in video. Okay, and we're going to use the actual video template. So if I click there, it's going to share with us all these different templates that we can choose from. Okay, you can see it right here. Now, there's all these different templates and you can get really fancy, but for this method, it's incredibly simple. We're just going to click here, create a blank video. And once you do that, what we're going to do is we're going to actually go over to uploads, and we want to click upload file, and we want to choose the video we just just downloaded. So let me go ahead and upload this video to Canva and share with you the next step. Okay, so you can see right here that this video is actually uploading. Now, while it's uploading, I can click on it. Now, again, this is the sales video of the product we're promoting. Now, as you keep watching this video, you're gonna see how we're gonna tie this all together. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna drag this to make sure that it fills the entire video, okay, right there. And the next thing we wanna do is we wanna scroll all the way towards the end of the video, okay? And I can actually zoom out a little bit like this. But what we wanna do is go all the way to the end, and we wanna click here, and this will actually allow us to shorten this video because we don't wanna upload the entire video onto the site I'm gonna share in a little bit. What we wanna do is we wanna go back and we wanna cut this to right around 2 to 3 minutes long, because what's gonna happen is, as you'll see, people are going to click on this. So let's say we do, let's say right around, 2 minutes, 30 seconds, okay? That's fine. 2 to 3 minutes is fine. Now this video is shorter. Now why? Why did we cut this sales video? Don't we want them to watch it? We do, but we don't want them to watch it on the site we're gonna re-upload this video on, as you'll see in a second. So what we wanna do instead is we wanna click add page, and this is gonna add a screen after this video here in our video right there, okay? So what we wanna do is we wanna go to text, and what you can do is you can actually first off make this black, okay, which I like to do, and then I can click add heading, and I wanna make sure this is white, okay, so it will show. And then what we wanna do is we wanna type something like, click the link below to watch the full video. And you can go ahead and enter that to make it look better, and I can click and hold, and I can center this, okay? See where the purple lines, okay, that's centered. Now, why are we doing this, right? Well, as you'll see in just a second, I'm gonna share with you 3 different free sites we can re-upload this video on to start to get autopilot traffic. And we wanna lead people ultimately to our affiliate link, because when they go to this link, what's gonna happen is over time, there's gonna be a button that appears. And when they click that button and they buy, we're gonna get credit for that referral, and we're gonna start to make sweet, sweet commissions. As you can see, I've been able to generate over $35,000 in right around 30 days. So how do we do this, right? What's the next step? Well, to make this even better, you can actually click on this text, and I can go to animate, and they have all these different animations. So you can go ahead and choose one like this, but I'm going to actually choose the fade. So let me share with you what this looks like. So people are watching the sales video, and then all of a sudden, click the link below to watch the full video, okay? So they're gonna start watching this video, and then this is gonna interrupt them, right? And lead them to watch the full video. So the next step, we wanna click share. We wanna go down here, click download, and now we wanna download this edited video to our device. And while it's downloading, we wanna go over to the first free website we can share this video on to get autopilot traffic, and that is BitChute.com. Now, BitChute has all these different videos people are uploading on here. It's similar to any other video sharing website, and all you have to do is go up here and click register, and you just go through the process to create an account. So you would create a username, an email, enter your email, password, accept there, okay, and then agree and create an account, and you can do that within minutes. Now, once you create an account, what you wanna do is you wanna click upload new video, and we wanna choose that edited video that we created using Canva and upload it to BitChute. Okay, so once we're on this page, you just click here, and then you would browse and find it on your device and upload it here. Okay, so it's uploading right there. You can see it uploading. And now what we wanna do for the title is we can actually go back to the sales page, and we can see if there's anything eye-catchy that we can use. And you can see this button actually appeared, okay, so someone will buy. That's how this sales page works, but it doesn't really have a title. Instead, we can go here and we can see, oh, the ultimate keto meal plan. Okay, so that's a good title. We can copy that, go back here, and I can put the ultimate keto meal plan. Now, that title is still a little bit boring. For people to click your video, you wanna make it a little bit clickbaity. So I can say, discover the ultimate meal plan your doctor is hiding from you, okay? Something like that, or discover the keto meal plan your doctor is hiding from you, okay? I can edit this, just play around with it really, but that's looking pretty good. Description, now this is crucial, okay? This is where we're gonna start to get passive traffic and sales, okay? So for the description, I can type in something related to the product. If you want to discover the keto meal plan your doctor doesn't want you to know about, click here to watch the full video, right? Because remember in here, we cut it off, right? And we add towards the click here to watch the full video, right? And then what we would do is you don't just want to put your long affiliate link here because it's a bit unattractive to people. What we want to do is copy this link, and then you can go over to another free site called tinyurl.com, paste in that long affiliate link there, click make tinyurl, and then just copy it there. And then what we can do is go back here and paste that in like that. Okay, so it has the title, it has the description, giving a call to action to click our shortened affiliate link. For search term, it says max 3. You can put in some search terms like, keto, and you just put a space, keto, diet, exercise, right? Just a few words that you think people may search, and then just hit proceed. And we can go ahead and publish this video onto BitChute. Now, the next site you can go ahead and upload this video to start to get traffic is Rumble. You just go to rumble.com, you create a free account, you click here, and then you would upload that same video. You can use the same title, description, because it's on another site. Now, this is how you're gonna be able to scale. You can see that there's a lot of these videos and they're getting really good views. Rumble is an up and coming site. A lot of top people are now going to Rumble, so it's getting more and more popular. And again, as you upload these videos, and you can upload videos from many different products, many different niches, to start to get tons of passive traffic to your affiliate link to start to make sales. And then the last site, of course, is youtube.com. You can literally just create a YouTube channel, go ahead and upload right there, and then you can go ahead and start to get tons of views every single day to your link, making tons of sales even while you're sleeping. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also, click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.